In this video, I will show you how you can deploy your Replit app into the Netlify. So firstly, you want to open your project in Netlify, and you want to click on this plus button next to your preview or database. And from here, you want to search for Git. Then you want to open Git. And then you just need to connect your GitHub account. So if I click on settings, you will see that your GitHub account is disconnected, and you just need to click on sign in. Then click on continue to GitHub source control. Connected successfully. And now your GitHub is connected. Now you can close those settings by clicking on this arrow. And now you need to create a GitHub repository. So you can create it by create remote. And then you want to choose GitHub. You can choose organization or personal. Then you can choose your repository name, repository description, and you can also choose if you want to make it private or public. And then just click on create repository on GitHub. So this should create a repository on GitHub. And now this is the important. You want to click on this push branch as origin main. So click on this. Then click on confirm this session. Now your repository should be created. Now you just need to go to Netlify, click on add a new project, then import an existing project. Next, you want to choose GitHub. So basically you just need to again sign into your GitHub account. And then you just need to find your GitHub repository. This one, this crypto board, a few seconds ago. So I'm gonna open it. Then you can choose your theme, project name. So let's say, I'm gonna just type random name. Then branch to deploy main. You can also choose base directory, and you can keep this default, then deploy your project. And this should start deploying your project on Netlify. And right now it's showing me this green dot. So this means it has been successfully connected. And now if I try to open it, it's working. And if you see some kind of error like page not found or blank page, I have fixed for this. So firstly, you want to go back to Replit, and I created this prompt where I asked the Replit make this project deployment friendly to Netlify, and there's a lot of stuff I described here. So I will paste this prompt in description under this video, so you can copy it and you can add this prompt to your app in Replit. Then you just need to wait for Replit to make it deployment friendly for Netlify. And after Replit is done, you just want to sync those changes to GitHub. So there is a sync button, you will see it. And next you want to redeploy it again on Netlify, and it should be working then. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.